spare some change?
This is for you. I hope this helps.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I don't have to sleep on the street tonight. Well, why'd you give me so much?
I've always believed what goes around comes around.
Wait, I don't even know your name.
Miss Sarah. Sarah Darling. I work across the street. I'm sure I'll see you around.
Thank you.
100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow.
He looks all around for her, but he can't find her anywhere. Just as he gives up looking for her, he happens to come across a pawn shop and decides he may as well go inside.
Hi, can I help you? Let's see how much this ring is worth.
Away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles.
This is nice. I can give you $4,000 for it.
$4,000? That's so much money. I wouldn't have to sleep on the street for months.
$2,000, $3,000, and $4,000.
What goes around comes around.
What's wrong? Aren't you going to take it?
Actually, changed my mind. I'm really sorry.
Penny to my name. Lord, I can go back home. This away.
I work across the street. I'm sure I'll see you around.
This away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can
Sarah Darling that works here.
home. This away.
Sarah?
If you miss the train I'm on,
How can I help you?
you'll know that I am
I
gone.
believe this belongs to you.
Can hear the whistle blow.
Dropped it when I go.
My ring. I'm looking everywhere for this. I don't understand. I'm sure you could have got a lot of money for this. Why'd you give it back?
You helped me, so it's the least I could do. Besides, a wise woman once told me, what goes around comes around.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this means to me. I'll never forget this.
You know, you should start a GoFundMe for him. I'm sure people would love this story and want to help him.
It's a great idea.
Sarah decides to start a GoFundMe page for Billy, telling the story of how he gave her the ring back. And to her surprise, the story ends up going viral. People all over the world started donating. Within a few days, Sarah raises over $190,000 in donations. And then a few
Days later,
Sarah goes to find Billy.
Hey, Billy.
Oh, Sarah.
Have a surprise for you. 190,726 surprises to be exact.
For me? I don't understand. What's going on?
I set up a donation page, and I told everybody about what you did. People around the world donated. So now you don't have to worry about sitting out in the streets anymore. You can buy your own home.
I can't believe this is happening to me. God bless you.